Hey, this is Justin here. I'm showing off my OpenGL project. So basically, over here you have your vertex shader and your fragment shader. The main thing that I changed here is I added another uniform input here. So this is kind of like a global, and then it's called sign color. So because I would multiply the older vec4, which is the our color, plus so 1 for the fragment color. And I'll multiply by the sign color, and then I'll show how that comes into play later. The class is the shader class. I just made that just to make it a little bit easier to read. So here's my main function. Nothing was really changed there. Okay, now in the render loop, I clear the color buffer, and then I use this time value. So if this is kind of cool right here, like if you put a 0 here, then it'll basically like comment out this entire block of code. And it's better than using like one of those things, because then you'll have to like go in the beginning and delete it and go in the end and delete it, and sometimes you'll lose track where it is. So if I just like change that to a 1 and then change that to a 0, then it'll just switch over. So let me show you how this works. So here it kind of like goes from red to green to blue, and these are actually how should I say it? They're like 120 degrees in phase, so it'll go from red to green to blue. So let me show that. Yeah, see how it just kind of changes color and comes back. So that was a cool thing. I have this in the console because I was debugging and seeing like what's the values that are coming out for the red and green. As you can see, when red is high, then green is going to be low and blue is low, and it kind of oscillates back and forth. So now if I put this one on, take that one off, and then now I play it. Now you can see it's just like what you wanted on your prompt, and you can see all those values are the same. And so what that is I just made all of these cosine. So it starts off at 1, and then it would go to 0 and come back. So that's it. So I have a shader.use function that's in my shader class, and this is, you use the GL uniform 4F, and you have to get the ID of the shader, and this is the name of the uniform. And so I change the uniform sign color by using this function. So it'll put all these values into the uniform, and then if you go back to the shader there, it'll just multiply it. So yeah, that's it. This is my project. Thank you.